Rayhan Nocturno Elixir. Yan ang bibigyan natin ng first impression sa video ito. Okay, so guys, mainit-init pa. Kakakuha ko lang ngayong hapon itong si Rayhan Nocturno Elixir. And bili ko dito is less than 2,000 pesos. Now, I'm not sure of the price dito sa ating marketplace or sa any other shops that might be selling this kasi nga bagong-bago si Rayhan Nocturno Elixir. Now, in terms of the presentation, nahin natin, it's the typical Rayhan box, okay, quadrado or rectangular in shape, and then may simple branding na Rayhan dito, Elixir sa gitna, and Nocturno sa ibabaw. Ganda ng kanyang color. Black from the top and then nagiging blue siya pababa. Okay? And I think just the details sa ilalim, and then may barcode, and then my batch code and expiry date. Okay. So as usual, Rayhan is duping, according to some of the reviews that I've seen, sabi nila is Blue de Chanel exclusive. Now, I haven't been able to smell that perfume. Unfortunately, wala rin si Rayhan Nocturno Elixir sa Fragrantica, so I won't be able to confirm kung ano yung mga notes at saka yung main accords netong perfume na to. So, generally, blind buy talaga. Now, let's open the box and look at the bottle presentation itself. Same as with the other Rayhan, ang ganda ng kanilang bottle. For the Rayhan Nocturno Elixir, it's the same as the box, dalawang color ang makikita natin, mostly black, and then sa ilalim may gradient na parang blue or almost bluish green. Alright, same as with the box, may branding sa harapan, and then may parang Arabic characters sa likod. Alright, and then of course, kinaganda pa ni Rayhan, some of their bottles are already magnetic. So this one, not an exception, magnetic na rin siya. Alright, so let's go ahead and look at the atomizer and the sprayer, the black and may white na markings sa loob. And then let's do a couple of sprays. Okay. Alright, so ganda ng buga, tama-tama yung volume. So, yan, yung kanyang atomizer or sprayer ni Rayhan Nocturno Elixir. Alright, ang bango, ang fresh ng amoy na to. Para siyang merong citrus, bergamot, I think. Parang bergamot yung amoy ko. And ambroxan. Okay, ambroxan, bergamot. And then, para siyang may pagka tea. Konting tea na naamoy ko dito sa ating and amber, and may konting pagka-woody. Alright, yung overall na scent profile niya, yung opening niya, very citrusy and very cool sa ilong yung ating opening ni Rayhan Nocturno. It somehow reminds me of para siyang Blue de Chanel with Sauvage. Sauvage na amoy. Tara, yung halo ng dalawang perfume na yun, na parang may citrus na orange. Okay. Okay. And then ambroxan smell. So, ayan. So, this will be a very good perfume for any day use. Okay. Whether it be nighttime or daytime, summer, medyo malamig sa labas, this is a good all-rounder for me. And I would probably suggest this for those na mahilig na mag-outing, activity sa labas. It's a very fresh kind of scent profile. So, yan. Yan na muna ang ating first impression for Rayhan Nocturno Elixir. I'll come back on probably next week. We'll have this rested first, and then we'll wear it for a full day, and I'll give you my honest review on the Rayhan Nocturno Elixir. So far, I'm really liking it. I think for the money, just for the central file itself, CentDNA, gusto ko siya. I think I'll be using this a lot. Alright, so thank you so much for watching. By the way, if you have any questions about Rayhan Nocturnal Elixir, please leave a comment down below and I'll make sure to read those comments. Okay, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you again soon. Bye!